Welcome back to Haugen Racing, ladies and gentlemen. Today is such an exciting episode. A lot of you guys are asking, you're like,
well, are you gonna paint it? Are you gonna wrap it? Blah, blah.
Before we do that, we need to test it. We also need to put it through tech. So we've sent all the documents in for Formula Drift Tech. Make sure there's nothing crazy on it that we need to fix before we finalize the fabrication and paint and powder coat everything and make it all fancy. But we also want to test it. So it was just dyno tuned in the last episode. If you guys didn't see that episode, that was probably the sickest episode we've had yet. We brought like 10 sets of tires along. We're not gonna go too crazy. We just wanna make sure everything's working properly, and again, make sure we don't wanna change anything fabrication-wise before we finalize the build. So I hope you guys are pumped. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, hit that subscribe button. Let's get into this. All right, first time out, here we go.
Godspeed. Holy hell.
Oh, I see it.
You want to flip off, those off?
Yeah.
Please?
Yeah. Dude, I couldn't even get out to you.
Clean yourself up.
Oh, come on, man.
I'm gonna have to do something about that. Alright, dude, so first run, explain what happened.
Okay, so it felt freaking awesome. Okay, you guys have been wondering, I've never driven a sequential in real life, and I've been practicing a bunch on Assetto Corsa. I literally felt like at home. It's actually unbelievable how good Assetto Corsa is when you have it dialed and you have good equipment. When you have like really proper, you know, good, it honestly feels exactly like this. Just kind of getting heat in the tires, the brakes, all that, and then I did a pull, and it just like spat oil out of the catch can at me. I managed to just move the catch can somewhere else. I'm telling you, like, I know this is a real life video, but so many of you guys sim drift and watch the channel for a lot of that. Like, my God. Oh no. Yeah.
Hey, you want to stop? You want to stop breaking stuff?
I didn't even do anything. I did nothing. Are you filming?
That's not the normal miscellaneous energy drink.
It's a different miscellaneous energy drink, but I feel like it would be so fitting. So if you guys happen to see this, hit us up. It could become the new miscellaneous energy drink, but then we'll be named and promoted. Perfect example of why we do this. There's like a conversion to make it AN right on the block, and it's just not sealing. And it's almost like the bolts are too long, JMO?
Something like that.
Like the bolts are bottomed out, and you can actually kind of move it a little bit. So we're gonna try to get one bolt out, either cut them or find a replacement, and see if we can get it to seal up. But this is literally why you do this stuff, because look, we've already gotten oil and hot water like over a lot of this stuff on my seat, you know, the dash, steering wheel, all that stuff. And so it's like you want to get through, you know, some of this stuff, some of this initial stuff before you make the car all pretty. That's what you get when you're not just completely rushing in April when one round has already happened. All right, I'll shut up now.
I'm trying to seal this water port adapter. The ones that were on there before, the bolts were like too long. They were bottoming out, so we're doing a quick little track fix here so we can keep going.
Yeah. All right, let's go again. Same kind of deal, just keeping it chill. Maybe it's just a little bit more drifty if I don't have any crazy leaks. Same kind of deal, just keeping it chill.
Dude,
What?
why are you wet?
It's throwing oil at me. All right, so we're not gonna drive the car anymore. Obviously something with the oil system is either not correct or failed, something like that. I was trying to save money and not do a dry sump because that's expensive, but if we need to do it, we'll start selling some stuff. Go buy merch, please. But yeah, so we're gonna get it home, decompression leak down, figure out what we're gonna do with the oiling system, and then it's time to tear it down and powder coat everything, paint everything, livery, finish this thing up, and then take it to the track for real. But I'm really stoked. I think today went great. We're gonna go get some A&W, get some Taco Bell. Appreciate you, love you. Hit that subscribe button, buy some merch. We'll see you soon. Peace.
All right, boys, explain what happened and why we're on a different camera now.
Well, the DSLRs are packed up, and that's like the least of our concerns right now. But we had, let's see, we had the original tire blowout, and then we found our spare, so we threw that on. We're like, yeah, good to go. And then we're like, what, 40 minutes from home? 30 minutes?
If that, yeah.
Well, what do you know? The back left decides to blow up. We start pulling around. We're like halfway in between tire shops. Nobody has our tire except for the one that's just a bit far north. So we're like, all right, we're just gonna kind of creep our way up there. And then a bag blows out. Now we're really stuck. On the other, I don't know if this was said in the original video, but Roderick's GS, for whatever reason, his car's in limp mode. So we dropped him off, and then he's going to get the tire, but he just ripped it by us. And
Dude, it's full power, like limp mode.
it actually made me turn around. I was like, hey, I think it's kind of picking up. So
The car is wet.
yeah, it's an adventure.
We unloaded a car in a litter swamp possible.